All right, now guys, I'm going to show you how to create a rotational tessellation. A rotational tessellation. Now, this is 6 congruent polygons, all which fit snugly one in place of the other, okay, and are formed by rotating uh, about this point here. Okay, so there's 6, so they're rotated through 60 degrees around that point, such that they fit snugly into each other, just like that. And again, just like the former tessellation, if I change one side, then all the other corresponding sides for all the other 5 congruent polygons will be impacted. Now, I want to make sure that I have polygons. In other words, okay, if the point which I'm pulling on now is going to cross over a another side of the polygon, then okay, it's no longer a polygon that I have. Now, you might like the effect that it gives you, okay, like that. I kind of like that effect, but in essence, I want to keep these as polygons. And again, a polygon, these are all polygons, but once once one of the vertices crosses another edge, it's no longer a polygon. So just keep that in mind when we're constructing it, or when you're fine tuning this to the shape that I want. I want polygons, okay, not things that aren't polygons. Okay, so maybe that's kind of a cool shape to go with. Okay, so now let's begin to show you how to create this. Okay, um, creating this now in a new sketch. The basis for the creation of the rotational tessellation is a equilateral triangle. And the equilateral triangle is built by finding 3 equally spaced points on the circumference of a circle. So once my circle, I just construct any size circle. I mark the center of the circle as the center. Remember, I can just click on that a couple times until I get that impact, and then that's marked as the center. And then I'm going to rotate this point on there through 120 degrees. That would be the angle of rotation for an equilateral triangle. So I'm going to rotate that point. So transform, rotate through 120 degrees, and do that again, and that should give me the 3 equally spaced points on the circle, which of course I'm not interested in the circle, I'm interested in the polygon, the equilateral triangle that's going to be created, and here it is. So once that's created, I can come back now and I can hide my circle. Okay, I can hide my circle, and I can hide the center of that circle too. Okay. Uh, Now, I will label these for reference. Okay, and I'll come back and rename them, right-click and label that as A, B, C, so I don't have the primes. It's just a little easier to reference, and so this would be point C. Okay, now, now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do kind of the same kind of thing I did before. I'm going to construct some jagged edges here. I don't know what's happening there. Okay, I'm going to construct some jagged edge, maybe just a simple jag like this for now. Okay, keep it kind of simple. All right, and of course that could be I could, if I wanted to, pull that out or in. Doesn't, it's totally up to you. Okay. Now, with that jagged edge, okay, I'm going to hide that segment, the original segment of the triangle, and I'm going to translate that jagged edge over to side AB through a rotation of 60 degrees. So I'm going to mark B as my center, select that jagged edge with the vertices, okay, and then I'm going to rotate through 60 degrees, okay? Rotate through 60 degrees. And then I'm going to rotate that again, transform, rotate. I'm sorry, didn't want to do that. I'm going to now mark this as my center and rotate that, transform, rotate that through 60 degrees. Okay, and that should be my, that should do it for me. Okay, so now I can come and I can hide these original segments. Okay, I can hide these original segments. And I have my figure that I'm going to use for my translation. So let me select all the vertices of that and then construct the polygon interior. Looks like I have too many things selected. So select the vertices there. Make sure I select them all in order and construct the polygon interior. Okay, which is right there. And then all I'm going to do is, okay, I'm going to say I want to pick point B as my center of rotation. I'm going to select that. I'm going to select my entire polygon. I'm going to transform and rotate through 60 degrees. I'm going to just go back and forth, transform, rotate that through another 60 degrees, okay, transform, rotate through another 60 degrees, transform, rotate through 60 degrees once again, and then the last 60 degrees, transform, rotate through the final 60 degrees, should fill the figure in. I want to go back and I want to stagger these colors maybe, okay. Maybe I want to just do alternate colors, so I've got just going to select these polygons and select the display, the color, or just stagger it from orange and blue, let's say. So that's blue, that's orange. Let's make this one blue again, okay? And then display, and my color is going to be changed to blue now. Color is going to be changed to blue, okay? And lastly, this one must be displayed as color blue as well, okay? And there's my rotational tessellation. Again, any changes made on one will impact the other, and you can get kind of neat designs on this however you want, okay? And so there I have my final rotational, kind of like a pinwheel series of translations, okay? So this is a rotational translation. So that'll be the second exercise for you. That's it.